ओके, घर गंदा पड़ा है, ठीक है पड़ा रहने दो। कपड़े फोल्ड नहीं हुए, इट्स फाइन एज़ लॉन्ग एज़ यू आर हैप्पी, you are sane, and you are mentally functioning well, that's all your baby needs. Hello everyone, my name is Sonali Singh and welcome to the Life of Mama. This is the first video that I'm making for this channel. मैंने बहुत सारे shorts वगैरह post किए हैं YouTube पे, but this is going to be the first ever video and I'm really excited about it. Why the Life of Mama? See, when I was pregnant और मैं वीडियोस देखा करती थी और बुक्स पढ़ने के लिए आई वुड फाइंड आउट सजेशंस कि मैं कौन सी बुक्स पढूँ, कौन से वीडियोस देखूँ यूट्यूब पे, ताकि मैं बेटर अंडरस्टैंड कर पाऊँ द प्रोसेस ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी, द प्रोसेस ऑफ पेरेंटिंग। क्या मेरी लाइफ रहेगी आफ्टर आई बिकम अ पेरेंट, और इवन ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी मुझे बहुत सारे सवाल होते थे एंड समटाइम्स यू डोंट हैव the liberty to ask all the questions to your gynecologist. So I used to watch a lot of videos online, and for some reason मुझे एक scientific जवाब मिल जाता था चीज़ों का, but not the relatable aspect even in those answers was missing. So that is when the idea of starting the Life of Mama came to my mind. I was earlier planning कि जैसे बेबी होगा उसके बाद मैं document everything and I will start working on the channel, I'll start posting content, but I realized कि ये चीज़ मेरे लिए करना possible नहीं था उस समय, क्योंकि the entire focus was on my daughter, and even we were evolving as parents, even I was evolving as a mother. तो मैं नहीं चाहती थी कि वो फर्स्ट ईयर में मैं फोकस अपना कहीं पे भी और डालूँ. I wanted to focus entirely on my daughter, which is why I'm starting the channel now. If you're looking for an expert on parenting, on the kind of food to give to your kids, the kind of education that you want to give to your kids, and this is the wrong place. I'm definitely not an expert. I am an evolving mama जो अपनी गलतियाँ करते करते सीख रही है, और आई एम नॉट अशेम्ड टू एडमिट दोज मिस्टेक्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ एवरी वन, बिकॉज मैं पैदा होते ही मम्मी तो बनी नहीं. व्हेन माई डॉटर वॉज बॉर्न, दैट वॉज द डे आई वॉज बॉर्न एज अ मदर. एंड आई थिंक लोग ये भूल जाते हैं कि मतलब now you've become a mama, now you've become a mama. This is a constant thing that people say to you once you become a parent. But people forget कि हम भी आज ही पेरेंट बने हैं, हमें आज सडनली सब कुछ नहीं आ जाएगा. ऑफ कोर्स द मदरली इंस्टिंक्ट्स वर इन मी विद फ्रॉम द डे आई थिंक आई कंसीव्ड मे बी, बट बहुत सारी चीज़ें आप ओवर द प्रोसेस, ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम आप सीखते हो, एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट इन दिस चैनल. आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट द फीलिंग्स ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी, postpartum anxiety, which is a true thing, postpartum depression, which is a true thing. I want to talk about the kind of food that we can give to our kids. I abide by the doctors saying no salt, no sugar, at least during the first 1 year, no salt and no sugar during at least till the second year as well. तो मैं उन सब चीज़ों पे अवॉइड करती हूँ, और मैं अपनी लाइफ कैसे जी पा रही हूँ एज a professional along with being a parent and ensuring that my child doesn't have a tab or a phone next to her, or she's not eating junk food. So I just want to share all of these things, if that makes any sense, and if that makes even one person's life easier, then I think I've done the job. So this channel is for every mama who feels tired, who feels guilty, overwhelmed, happy, grateful, anxious, and stressed, and everything at the same time. And like I said, I'm not here to give you an advice as an expert or as a parenting expert. I'm not one. I'm just here to showcase my true story, my life, my personal hacks that I've developed over a period of time. Some days, I feel super happy, super confident, super excited, and I feel like a super mom. But on many days, I feel like, I'm barely surviving and existing, and, I need my cups of coffee to kind of, continue existing. And I want this channel to feel, and I want my videos to make other mothers comfortable and feel that okay, घर गंदा पड़ा है, ठीक है पड़ा रहने दो. कपड़े फोल्ड नहीं हुए, it's fine as long as you are happy, you are sane and you are mentally functioning well, that's all your baby needs. आपने फैंसी कुछ नहीं बनाया उसके लिए, आपने कोई फैंसी टॉयज़ नहीं खरीदे, बट if you're just spending good quality time with your daughter, with your child, and even if the house is not spotless, it's okay. It's okay. आप खुद पे ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस मत लो, chill करो and keep watching videos on the life of mama. If this kind of content feels relatable to you, if you feel that this is something that you would want to watch, then please follow and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a video. That's it for now. I'll see you next week.